Hello and welcome to Pacifica, California. We just had a fun 4th of July weekend and stayed home for this holiday. The city of Pacifica is only one of the few cities in the Bay Area that allows safe and sane fireworks. So that means fireworks that are just a cut above sparklers and snappers, but below the bottle rocket and Roman candle type fireworks. Still, these safe and sane fireworks are a lot of fun when used responsibly. With that, always follow the local laws and always be safe when using fireworks. So here we go. Here's our short but sweet firework lineup. First we have Little Red Devil, and then Purple Rain, TNT USA, a couple orchids,
Killer Bee.
Here we go.
You ready?
Yes. Come this way. Oh, no.
That was not expected.
Orchid fireworks. Right? Orchid?
Yes. Come this way.
Orchid. Yay! Ah! Killer Bee. Hello, Killer Bee.
You ready?
USA.
Wow, that was cool.
What is this called?
Little Red Devil. Ready?
Little Red Devil. Go.
Whoa! USA. USA. Jeez.
Whoa.